The LaTeX distributions provide comprehensive TeX or LaTeX systems with binaries for Linux, Windows, and Apple Mac. It includes all the major TeX-related programs, macro packages, and fonts, including support for many languages around the world. For Linux and Windows, you have TeX Live. For Windows, you have MiKTeX. And then for Mac operating system, you've got MiKTeX. We will look at MiKTeX. Installing MiKTeX is really easy. You just Google install MiKTeX and you click on install MiKTeX on Windows. That'll take you to miktex.org. Once on the website, you click the download page, then you will be on this page. You scroll down and you click on download for Windows. The installer will download. Click the box. I accept the MiKTeX copying conditions. Next. Install MiKTeX only for me. You select your directory where you want to install. Next. You select A4 paper. And I prefer to have install missing packages on the fly, ask me before it is done. And then you can click on start. Give it some time to download and click next and click close once you're done. The next piece of software we need to install is our editor. Now there are different editors available. I find Texmaker the most useful. All you do is you Google install Texmaker and you click on Texmaker. That'll bring you to this page. Scroll down and you say install for Windows or your operating system that you use. Download the installer, accept the license agreements, click install, wait for it to download, click finish. And when you open Texmaker, this is what you will see. Now in this course, we will use Texmaker to create beautiful LaTeX documents. So we will become familiar with this interface.